Hey everybody, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. Alright, today we're working on my sink. We've got a double basin sink here, and the drain pipes underneath are leaking. So we're going to take those old drain pipes out. I bought a new kit. We're going to put it in. It's a kit I've never used before, so I'm really looking forward to doing that. We're going to put it in and hope that it works, which it will. Anyway, watch this whole video and you will see how much you're going to save doing this yourself instead of hiring a plumber. Okay? Alright, let's get to work. Alright, welcome to the world underneath my sink. As you can see, we have all the pipes hooked up. We've got the drain for the dishwasher. You can watch my dishwasher video, installation video, and see how that thing works. There's our disposal and the drain pipe for it, our P-trap, and our drain down here into the pipes underneath the house. So we're gonna get all of this white PVC pipe out of there, and it's very easy. Don't think that you gotta have a degree to get it out, so don't worry about that. It's not hard to do. You don't even need any tools except for right here. You got to have a flathead screwdriver to get that part off. But the first thing we're going to do is start taking off all of these connections. They just twist with your hand and get all these pipes disconnected. Now, before we do that, we're going to put a bucket or a bowl or something, because water is going to come out of these things. We're going to put it under there because we don't want to make a mess any more than these pipes are already doing. I'm going to go ahead and do these pipes first because, well, there you go. I want to get that water out of there. And it's going to be gross, so don't worry about that. You can wash up once you get the new drain pipes in place. All right, so that's out of our way. And you can see, I mean, our tape is worn away. And it's just not, oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Got some straws down in there. That's nice. All right, we're gonna let that drain for a second. We're gonna leave all that right there. All right, now we're gonna get these off. Like I said, see, they got these little wings, so you can just unscrew all of this with your hand. Going to, there we go, get all of this off. And we're gonna get the screwdriver and get the disposal done. So we got this pipe off of the disposal. This is the connector with these two little bolts. You want to keep this stuff because you may need it again. And there's a rubber ring right here. You don't want to lose that either because that's your seal. Oh, like I always say, keep a little bowl or cup or plate or something handy so that you can, you won't lose these things. This is the last step. We're going to get this pipe off. Now I am going to leave this connection on for now, just because it works, and I'm going to see if the new kit came with one. This is the new set that I bought. As you can see, it's for double bowl kitchen sinks, which is what I have. It's got a disposal in the picture, and if you read the back, it shows you everything that you need. I paid about $30 for this, and oh, look, there's my new tile. There's a video coming out about that soon. You're not going to want to miss it. Anyway, we're going to start opening this bag and getting everything out so we can put it together. It's got a little Ziploc seal there to keep everything fresh. It appears to come with everything we're going to need. These are your new pipes. They're flexible. Instead of having to run PVC at different angles, you just connect those, which I think is going to be pretty easy. You got a bag with instructions and a bunch of smaller pipes to fit your existing pipes. New P-trap. This is a drain if you have two sinks. That's for your dishwasher drain if you don't already have a garbage disposal, which, like we said, we've got our dishwasher drain right there. But that's what this part is for. So don't take this off or pop this cap or anything because it'll leak. Some more pipes And then this is a rubber gasket with some clamps to attach to your drain pipe that goes to your sewer system under your house. First thing we're going to do is put this piece on the disposal. We're going to take this little rubber ring that came with it, drop it right down in there. We're going to grab our connector for the garbage disposal. We'll drop this right through there. And if you're wondering, all this is 1/2 inch pipe, which is what my system is. So we'll take this, we will connect it right there and put those screws back in place. It'll pull up nice and tight, and then we will attach the pipes to it. Let's get that started with our hand. Now grab our screwdriver and we're going to tighten those screws in place. And you do want this tight because you want that rubber gasket to expand a little bit so that you don't get any leaks. All right, moving on. Next thing we're going to do is take this orange ring, and I don't know if you can see it good, but it's got a little slant on the edge. We're going to put the thicker side against on the pipe with the thinner side out. And oh, excuse me, I did that backwards. Look, see, mistakes happen. I'm going to put this connector on first. Then we're going to put that little gasket ring on. Thick side in, thin side out. All right, so that will connect our pipe to this pipe that connects to the disposal. So we will take our giant pipe. We're going to use some of this plumber's tape and wrap it around the pipes. A little extra protection. And I know there's videos online where people do different things with that plumber's tape, but there's really no magic to it. Just don't get it folded up and you're good. So press that pipe in and start turning. Once this ring is tight, this will not come off. So that's not going anywhere. And like I said, the cool part about this is it's flexible. Now that side's on, we're going to connect the other end. See, it's got this little U-joint down here. We're going to connect this to our sink drain. And just like we did the disposal, we're going to put this black gasket in the pipe. We're going to fit this over here and connect it there. We're going to add a little plumber's tape first. Get that nice and tight. Because again, leaks are what we're trying to avoid here. Okay. I'm going to do the same procedure. Put this connecting part on, put the gasket on, thick side to the in and thin side to the out. And we're going to get our plumber's tape again. We're going to go around that nice and tight. Alrighty, we've done the same process right here. I've taped both of these threads. I've got my little orange gasket right there and my connector thing. We're going to screw that on. Sorry, I don't know the technical terms. All right, once that's nice and tight, This is where the cool flexibility of these things come in. We're gonna flex it over here. We're gonna take the pipe that we already had up here for our drain, and we're gonna stick it back on, and we should have all the sink connected. I cut this little pipe down, and you can see I've got the orange connectors on either side with the connecting pieces, and we're going to put it onto our pipes now and say our prayers. I think everything is secure. I'm gonna double check all the connections just to make sure. And now we're gonna test it out. But before we do, let's see how much money we save doing this ourselves. Let's talk money. The average cost for a plumber to come to your house and do this work for you is $200. And really, depending on where you live, it could be a lot higher than that. You could even get into the thousands when dealing with plumbers. The cost for you to do this by yourself is just the parts, which is $30. And look, you don't have to pay that much. There's cheaper parts, but I wanted to try that new equipment out. So $30 for me, $200 for a plumber, that's a savings of $170. And you know, that's a trip to the dentist for your kids, that's birthday presents, that's gas for your car. It's a lot of things, but you know what it's not? It's not paying someone else to do this when you can do it yourself. Let's go see if it worked. Okay, I've got the water running up top. I don't see any drips. I don't feel anything. Everything's dry. It's draining well. Looks like another job well done. Actually, I take it back. I'm not going to say it's a job well done yet because I want this pipe to be slanting this way instead of this way. So I'm going to cut some of this down. But for the purposes of this video, I guess we're done. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the channel. I'm almost to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so please help me out. It's free and it's easy to hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.